In this video, we'll talk about recipes for juicing. Always scrub your produce thoroughly. Investing in a brush is a good idea. As for peeling, most of the nutrients in fruits and vegetables is just beneath the skin. If possible, avoid peeling and simply toss everything into the juicer as is. You need to peel oranges, but use other peels and rinds as much as possible. And there's no need to throw out the pulp. Save it for the next time you make a vegetable broth. This video has a few recipes that provide a perfect use for that healthy pulp. Carrot and orange juice. Ingredients: 1 pound peeled and sliced carrots, 3 peeled oranges, 1 cup pineapple, a ½ inch piece of ginger, and a bunch of parsley. Directions: process the carrots, pineapples, and oranges in the juicer first, then add the ginger and parsley. Watermelon smoothie. Ingredients: 3 cups chunked watermelon, 3 cups ice, 1 banana, 1 cup chunked cantaloupe, a ½ cup apple juice, 2 tablespoons agave nectar. Directions: combine all ingredients in a blender. Green juice. This is a great juice anytime, but it's an especially good detox when you've overdone the fun, such as on vacations or during the holidays. Ingredients: 2 apples, 1 peach, 1 cucumber, 1 bunch collard greens. Directions: cut up the fruit, peach, cucumber, and greens and process in the juicer. Rise and shine juice. Ingredients: 2 apples, 2 carrots, 2 oranges. Directions: slice, but don't peel the apples. Peel the oranges. Process all the ingredients through the juicer. Beet cleanse. Ingredients: 2 beets, 2 oranges, 1 lemon, 1 bunch spinach, a ½ piece of ginger. Directions: cut up the fruits and vegetables and process through the juicer. Add the ginger last. Raspberry surprise. Ingredients: 1 cup raspberries, 1 cup spinach, ½ cup pineapple, 3 carrots. Directions: feed all ingredients into your juicer. Merry peach berry. Asparagus is a very mild vegetable, so it'll blend easily with the fruits and berries. You don't have to, but it's probably better to remove the tough stems from the asparagus before juicing. Ingredients: 4 asparagus, 1 pitted peach, 1 cup blueberries, 1 cup spinach. Trim the asparagus and process the fruits and vegetables through the juicer. Pineapple delight. The fruit helps sweeten the Swiss chard. Ingredients: 1 apple, 1 cup strawberries, 8 chard leaves, 1 cup pineapple, handful of parsley. Directions: process all ingredients in the juicer. Sweet spinach. This is perfect if you don't like spinach because you'll barely taste it. You'll just enjoy the benefits. Ingredients: 1 apple, 1 cup spinach, 1 orange, a bunch of parsley. Directions: process the ingredients in the juicer. Turnip and carrots. The turnip is a much underrated vegetable. With these 2 vegetables, you're getting plenty of vitamin A and C. Ingredients: 3 carrots, 1/2 turnip, 1 cup strawberries. Directions: peel the turnip before processing the ingredients in the juicer. Digestive rescue juice. The prunes are a gentle way to clear the digestive system. Ingredients: 4 prunes, a ½ cup grapes, 1 diced apple. Directions: place the ingredients in a juicer and process.